Yo, check me out, yo, oh yeah. I used to be a criminal, top car dealer. Big competition, but my cars are realer. But quite frank, my cars were professional. Ringed over, exceptional. Serial change, logbook keys. All you need to worry about was the fees. Well, let's see, it can start from a bag. Depending what car, you can pay 20 G's. Look at these brand new X5 with keys. Look at these Mercedes-Benz with TV. Look at these Golf, Astras, TTs. And if you can want, yeah, we can get these. Best sellers were puntos. Don't be laughing when I say puntos. Applied the whole of Wolfer stove with puntos. They were cheap and cute and everyone could afford it. Like, I had to pack that all in, obviously because of the music, but like, one time I got chased by helicopters, police dogs. Like, I got away though, but I listened to what happened though. Look, so I'm in my punto, yeah, and I see the boy them in the rear view, and I'm thinking, shit, what am I gonna do? This car's slow, so they're 1.2, so I jumped out when I saw moving somewhere random in Chingford. Back then, yeah, I was a little Linford, but not ugly as Linford. Anyway, so I'm running, heart is pumping fast. Boodum, 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 boodum. Getting tired, they're catching my ass. Boodum, boodum, boodum. Then I saw a back garden wall. I swear no lads about 20 foot tall. Jumped over, I thought all was cool. That's when I heard the helicopter. Ah, shit. So I remember sitting in this garden, right? And like the helicopter's at the other side of the road. So I'm thinking like, right, if I don't make a move now, I'm gonna get caught. So I thought, nah, you know what, I've gotta make a move. So I remember making a move like, trying to be quiet, jumping over the fences, make sure I turned off my phone. Then I saw this shed. So I started running towards the shed, praying the door was open. I got into the shed and I remember thinking to myself, ah, shit. Ah, shit. Like 4 hours later, it's like 7 AM in the morning, daylight, people going to work. I just walked home. Oh yeah, I missed a bit out. One of my mates were in the car. You know what happened to him, innit?